Hey YouTube, it's Erin with the Handbag Housewife, back again with another video. It's a snow day and I have been filming like crazy. I'll probably post this in the next day or two, but I have an unbagging because the UPS truck came through even though we have bad weather, which is exciting. So let me reveal this and then I am going to do an exciting comparison and hopefully get this out to you while you still have a chance to get this beauty on sale. What could she be? That is the question. All right. Oh my goodness. I am excited. I've got to take this out so we can appreciate her. Oh my goodness. She's a gorgeous bag. I knew that this would be beautiful. When I got the Pillow Tabby the other day, I immediately felt like I needed something in gold because the silver on the Pillow Tabby was so gorgeous that I almost wanted it in gold, except for it would have been too similar because they're both just really soft metallics. And so I wanted to get something else. So I went on the hunt and there are a few options. There is a camera bag quilty, and it is in silver metallics. So it may have come in gold, but whenever I was looking, I only saw the silver. So if you like the quilties, that could be an option if you're looking for a soft metallic. And then there is this beauty. This is the Willis 18 in soft metallic gold. And it is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is just beautiful. Look at the sheen on that. It is incredible. Came all factory wrapped. Has a beautiful crossbody strap that comes with it. There she is, unwrapped. Just stunning. I've heard that the interior is all leather. Yep, it's a gorgeous all leather bag and it's open. All right, I will say I am pleased. She's gorgeous. I will do a comparison here real quick. Okay, YouTube, we've done the unbagging and now I brought back the Pillow Tabby 18 so we can look at these two bags next to each other. Both of these bags come in both colors, the metallic soft gold and the metallic silver. The Pillow Tabby 18 is the same width, which is 18 centimeters across, but when you look at the depth, you can see there's a pretty dramatic difference. And when you look at the height, there's also a pretty big difference between the two. I'm going to insert some pictures here. To show you the difference in what these two bags will carry. The Pillow Tabby 18 will carry way less than the Willis 18. In fact, I don't have to downsize to get into the Willis 18. Both bags will hold your phone, but if you put your phone in the Pillow Tabby, you're not going to be able to fit very much else. And even if you don't put your phone in the Pillow Tabby 18, you're not going to be able to fit as much as you can fit in this bag, the Willis 18, when your phone's in it. So when it comes to comparing the two for capacity, the Willis 18 is a definite winner. Now, when it comes to modeling these bags, I think they both look great. I'm going to try them on for you with the straps that they come with, and then also with two chain straps. One of them is this thick, chunky chain, which I've shown in the previous Pillow Tabby video. I believe it is 40, it's either 41 or 43 inches. I'll link it down below. And then I've got a 47 or a 48 inch thinner antique gold chain that's also from Amazon. And then, of course, the straps that they come with. I'm going to model all 3 of those here. Okay, so now you've seen what they look like on with different strap options. You've seen how they look on the outside and what they hold. Let me give you a quick look inside so you can see what these bags look like when they don't have anything in them. Here's the Pillow Tabby 18. It has the divider down the middle, and it has a small pocket right here. And then the Willis 18 has a zippered pocket back here in the back. It's wide open in the middle. It has a little credit card slot right here. And then it has another pocket right here, which would be great for coupons or receipts, cash, that kind of thing. So I personally prefer the interior of the Willis, since the one big area in the middle is wide open. I think that offers the ability to hold a lot more stuff, but it still has a lot of great organization. And I don't really feel like this right here does a lot for you. I think you could be just fine without that. It's a small enough bag that it's not going to lose its structure. I think you'd be better off having a pocket up here, just like the Willis 18, than having this particular spot or this particular piece of leather. So in a nutshell, hands down, I prefer this bag. It holds what I need it to hold. It's still a beautiful shimmery leather. Whether it's in this color or the silver color, I prefer this bag. Right now, you can get this bag at Saks for $166. It's a steal. It's like 80% off. This bag, I also got it at Saks for $138. It's not available anymore. You can find it for, I believe, $273 on Coach.com, and I think that's about the cheapest you can find it. I can link both options with their sale prices, but hands down, this is the winner in my opinion. I want to know what you think though. Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a bunch, and have a fabulous rest of your week. Take care.